Hey, what's up, everyone? I want to talk to you about the devastating Hurricane Odile, who is strengthened to a Category 4 in Baja California. Just to let you know, this hurricane is extremely dangerous. Take a look at this video, guys. Take a look at this video closely. You can see how strong it is. It's destroying a sign from a store. Wow, this is unbelievable. I've never seen something like this. Guys, thumbs up if you hate hurricanes, and leave your comments down below. Also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on Time to Show, and visit our website on TormentaTropical.com. See you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe over here. Subscribe. Also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also click here, right there. Also visit our website on TormentaTropical.com. It's also here. You can feel free to click there. And our last videos are right here, in that corner over here. And if you're watching from a mobile device, all the links are on the description. Thank you so much for watching. This is On Time.